Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Alfata Iyudin. I will explain the material in chapter 4, the diversity of society in the frame of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Do you know what it is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika? Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is the motto or slogan of the Indonesian nation, written of the national emblem of Indonesia, Garuda Pancasila. This phrase comes from Old Javanese, which means different but still one. The word Bhinneka means various, the Tunggal word means one, and the word Ik means that literally. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is translated as that one diversity, which means that even though is diverse in essence, the Indonesian nation is still one unit. This motto is used to describe the unity and integrity of the nation and the United States of Republic Indonesia, which consists of various cultures, regional languages, race, ethnic groups, religion, and belief. I will also explain the meaning of national unity. A. The meaning of unity in nationality. I explained what unity is. Unity means the association of various components that from together will. Unity is the result of an association that has become one and complete. The unity and integrity of the Indonesian nation has grown been formed in Indonesia culture value even long before independence. Indonesia should also be proud because Indonesia has a different ethnic and cultural concept of 1,340 ethnic groups which are preachers. Therefore, we must also work hand in hand to strengthen the spirit of unity to defend what the Indonesian nation was. B. The principle of unity of ethnic, religion, race, and group. What principle can be done to reach unity in the diversity of Indonesia society? Principle 1. Principle Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika means that Indonesia, a nation consists of various tribes, nations, language, religion, and custom, but is united the task of Republic Indonesia. Principle Indonesian nationalism. Nationalism is a nationalism that puts the high loyalty of individual to her nation and homeland. Nation so that individual as citizen have a duties of action to devote all the air, energy, and thought for the progress, honor, and upholding of the sovereignty of the nation and states. Principle 3. Principle responsible freedom. Responsible freedom means that everyone is given the freedom to act and behave according to her wishes, of course, without violating human rights, so that the person exercising this freedom must be responsible and not harm others. 4. Principle insight archipelago. Archipelago insight is the perspective and attitude of the Indonesia people about themselves and geographic form based of Pancasila and the 19045 consultation. 5. Principal unity to release goals. In the preamble to the 1945 Constitution of the Republic Indonesia, there is a manifestation of the ideal of the proclamation. These ideals are to be to create and just a prosperous society based on Pancasila. Within the unitary states of Republic Indonesia to realize the ideal of the proclamation, unity and integration all Indonesian citizens and needed. C. Diversity problem in Indonesia society. A. Tribes. Ethnic groups scattered in Indonesia are a legacy of the nation's history. Its spread was influenced by geographical factors, sea trade, and the colonizer in Indonesia. For now, how to protect the ethnic group Indonesia in name B. 1. Respect its order. The main thing that is most important to respect its order. 2. Help its order. 3. Not dropping its order. And 4. Establishing togetherness. B. Custom. Custom are regulation regarding humans that have been commonly carried out since the time of our ancestors and followed by their descendants. In fact, an expert on Indonesia consumer law, namely Mr. Van Hollen, revealed the system of customary law circle of adat recreation, which classifies of hundreds of costumes in Indonesia into 90 circle of customary law of ethnic groups, namely Aceh, Gayo, Minangkabau area, South Sumatra, Malay region, Bangka Belitung, Kalimantan, Borneo, Minahasa, Gorontalo, Toraja region, South Sulawesi, Ternate, Island, Maluku Ambon, Irian, Timor Timur, Bali and Lombok, Central Java Kingdom, West Java. C. Religion. Religion is an inseparable part of the life of Indonesia society. There are six religions adopted in Indonesia, namely Islam, Christianity, Catholicism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Konghucu. What are the positive impact of the diversity of Indonesia society? A. The creation of national integration. B. Becomes a means to promote association between ethnic groups, religion, cultures, and groups. C. Can erect the nation culture treasure. But there are also negative impact arising from the diversity of Indonesia's society, including A. The or occurrence of conflict in society. B. The emergence of primordialism. C. The emergence of ethno-extreme. D. Exit fanatics. That's all from me. If there is something missing, it can be said. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.